Guys, we are finally getting some rain. And my poor little carrots, the wind just beating the crap out of them. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. Tomatoes with that Florida wheat in the background seem to be holding up pretty good. And tomatoes over there, the strings are holding up pretty good. Good deal. Compost is getting drenched. But them carrots, every time the wind comes through, they lay over. But they pop back up so far. So, oh, we finally got some lightning. The soil's gonna reset. Cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee and I'm gonna enjoy the rain. Y'all have a good day.